Okay, I'd like to welcome everybody to this evening's Arrow lecture by Professor Amartya Sen. I'm Deborah Satz, and I'm the director of the Center for Ethics, which is the sponsor of the Arrow lectures. Before I introduce Amartya Sen, I'd like to say a bit about the Arrow lectures and about Ken Arrow, the Emeritus Joan Kenny Professor of Economics at Stanford, in whose honor these lectures were endowed by a donor. Ken Arrow is one of the most respected and admired economists alive. He won the Nobel Prize in Economics in 1972 for his contributions to general equilibrium theory. Ken, along with Gerard Debreu, proved the existence of an equilibrium for an entire economy, with all prices affecting the supply and demand of every commodity. Walras had formulated the concept in 1874, but it took 75 years for the existence of such a solution to be proven. But he could have won many other Nobel Prizes if they had repeat performances. He could have won a Nobel Prize for his contributions to social choice theory. His 1951 PhD thesis proved the so-called Arrow impossibility theorem. The thesis showed that under a very reasonable set of assumptions, it's impossible to aggregate individual preferences into social preferences in ways that maintain transitivity. This was a big result, which has been taken to have some powerful implications for democratic theory. He could have won a Nobel Prize for his work on uncertainty and risk, which he applied to the field of health, asking why healthcare is different from other goods. He's also contributed to policy questions. For example, he chaired a National Institute of Medicine committee which advocated global subsidies for anti-malarial treatments for the poor in Africa and Asia. He's been publishing on climate